Jacket blazer by Tom. Out here today working on our RV a little bit, and I sprayed some Flex Seal on the top up there, run across some gray paint. Little John is up there painting the air conditioning covers, and man, they look better. We're gonna paint them other two ducts if we got enough paint. Come back from Tennessee, and my oldest son had used some of my paint, but I had 2 cans left, so I'm painting. Get to painting the air conditioning vents, and I think that looks real good. I think that looks, and get it out of the sun. I think that looks real, that back duct. So we're gonna see how much paint we got. I think it looks a lot better though, painting it gray. Air conditioned ducts, air conditioned covers, I mean. Yeah, I'm not in the sun right here, but painting the air conditioned covers up there. Doing a little work on the RV before we take off today, because we're not gonna be back in Griffin for 2 or 3 months, I think. He is up there working. He's a hard worker. Good worker. That's gonna look good too. Yes, sir.
Hey guys, we are just about to pull out of Griffin, and we're going to be headed from Griffin to Fayetteville tonight. We're going to have a jam session. This will be our second one, and this is something we hope to bring. My hat looks a little goofy, I think, but this is something that I'm hoping to bring to every town we go to. But we're going to Fayetteville to do that tonight, and then tomorrow we're going to be headed up to Chattanooga to bring in the new year at Harrison First Baptist Church. And John's going to be preaching, our 17-year-old. He's going to be preaching Sunday morning at Harrison First Baptist, and then Sunday night we will bring in the new year there, and we will be singing and ministering in song. And then after that, we will have just a few days to get down to Florida, where we will be begin a sort of mini tour. We'll be ministering down there. So anyway, if any of you churches or you people down in Florida would like to have the Parsons Redeemed, we still have a few Sundays open. We're going to be there until about the 3rd week of February, and so we're going to be in the first 3 weeks of January. We'll be in the Panama City, Destin area. And then we're going to be moving down towards Crystal River for a few days to almost a week. And then we're going to be moving down towards Seminole and Port Charlotte. And we'll be down there probably for the remainder time. We'll see how things go. But anyway, if you guys would like to have the Parsons Redeemed, we would love to come. And we're going to be in Tennessee in April and May. So if you're from Tennessee, we would love to talk with you about coming and doing your event, a house concert, or your church events. We also do festivals and things like that too. So anyway, look forward to seeing y'all soon. Hello guys, we are in our RV. We are boondocking currently at the church that we did a jam session for tonight. And it was a real good jam session. We had a smaller crowd because it's really close to New Year's, and plus it's freezing and things like that. But anyway, we had a good time, didn't we, John?
Mm-hmm.
Had a real good time, and I think we'll be coming back to this church in September and having another jam session to raise blankets for the homeless. And I think they raised a good many blankets. So anyway, I just wanted to get on here, and they let us plug in to the power, so we're on 110, which helps keep our batteries up and do just, you know, small things. We can't run anything major on it, but anyway, so we will be headed out tomorrow to Chattanooga, Tennessee, and we'll have our weekend there for New Year's. That's where we're bringing the New Year's in Tennessee. So anyway, just wanted to hop on here real quick and let y'all know that we had a good day and God is good. Johnny's cooking us some taters, and the little baby, see the puppy down there? It won't let me zoom in, but she's right down there. She is down there waiting on a bite. She's waiting on Daddy to drop a bite.
She's here now.
So anyway, there's our baby Chewini. She's growing, y'all. Look at her. Look at the little Chewie. Ignore my kitchen, because when we're done with the booking, we always kind of come in and throw things down. But anyway, there's the Chewini. And look, he's bringing me some too. Yay.
No, those are good.
So anyway, yeah.
What'd you do to them?
So we will see y'all. We'll probably be on the way to Chattanooga for New Year's.
If you're still breathing,
There's still hope.